It's that time of year again for the South Florida Fair.
I think we have to go this way.
We're walking through all the staff's mobile homes.
Carnival workers.
All the carnival workers. See, it's nicer than saying a carny.
Yeah.
Even though you guys all thought it. It's opening day, and if you pre-bought your tickets and came on opening day, you get another ticket to come back for free anytime.
I'm super excited. I'm kind of under the weather right now. I've had a cold all week, so this is my first time getting out.
Aww.
We got all the tickets. We got wristbands, we got ride books, food vouchers. We got the whole kit and caboodle. All right, thank you. The theme this year is superheroes. And we have the Chick-fil-A cows. You can adopt a dog or a cat here. Oh yeah. There's Henry on his kettle corn. Let's go and check that out.
See my secret recipe.
Oh, yeah.
It's pretty simple. It's soybean oil, popcorn, sugar, and salt.
So your story is used to be an attorney, right?
Well, I didn't become a licensed attorney. I just went to law school and got my
I can't tell you enough how many stories I've heard where I went to law school, but I said F it afterwards.
Yeah, well, I knew I could do other things with a law degree than practice law.
Yeah.
And I did take the bar, but I missed it by a point or two.
Yeah.
And so I got into popcorn. Yeah. I mean, that's,
Do you know what this is?
Just one use.
It's a barrel. That's like a miniature barrel, right?
It is, exactly.
Now do you know what that is right there?
No, good.
Do you,
Yes.
What is that?
It's a bung.
And what is the bung stuck in?
The bunghole. I got a shirt that says, "Ask me about my bunghole." I'm
do you?
wearing it.
Oh, okay. That could get you some funny looks around here.
It does.
The further south you drive, the more funny looks you get.
Even crazier questions.
What's a bunghole?
So what's the story behind these things? Like,
So,
are they,
the barrels age your bourbon, scotch, rum, whiskey, tequila, and dry wines.
yeah.
I make them the exact same way as the regular distillery. I just make them a lot smaller, so the process is a lot faster.
Gotcha.
What do you normally like to drink? I'll tell you how it works.
Rum.
Captain Morgan?
Yeah.
So you'll take a Captain Morgan to a private stock in about 25 to 28 days in these two size barrels.
43 years worth of work.
It's amazing.
That's a lot of work to build all this stuff from scratch.
Oh, yeah, you got the Lockheed Esperanza. Over there at the town, water tower, the skinny dippers.
There they are, baby. Bunch of naked people. Look at this. He's fuzzy.
I love this bun.
I know, but it's, you know, it's a bird. It's not the same.
Gobble gobble.
What would happen if you give these guys like some liquor? They'd be doing like the gobble wobble.
There you go. Look at them all fanned out.
He wants to know what she's doing.
Like you cheating on me?
That good turkey leg. Mm.
I'm not even trying. I know.
Have a great night. Pound it out.
First one to the top's gonna win the show. Who's it gonna be? Watching see. Looks like lucky number 7. 7 got it. 7 shot it.
That was a fun first day at the fair.
Yeah.
We didn't get to see much today because we arrived a little bit late, and then, you know, we had other people with us, so we had to do a lot of waiting for them to park and blah, blah, blah. Tip for next year, if you pre-order your tickets and come on the first day, you can come back again for free. So that's pretty cool. So we're gonna come back again for free.
Yeah.
And then we can finally explore the Yesteryear Village.
Bye.
See you in our next adventure. Hey, look at this one. Hey, you. What's up? Hey, what's up? Hey. Hey.
Hey man, at least their face is always covered in shade.
Hey, look at this.